Hi there everyone, this is Diana, the Paper Pineapple. I am back today with week 2 of my 2023 Project Life album. I've already printed out my pictures with my selfie printer, and so I'm just going to quickly arrange them where I think I want them, and I'm going to be using the rest of the Elle Studio January 2023 kit. I'm gonna go ahead and try to use up the whole kit before I move on to something else. That way I don't have anything left over. So I'm really gonna try this year to just use up what I have on hand before I order something else or I use something else. Now that I've downsized, I really don't have much space to put things at, and so that really challenges me to use up what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have a little bit of cards left, 3x4 cards and some journaling cards. I had to pull out this pink paper with cameras on it. I really liked it, and I felt like it matched well with that pink stripe in that card. And so I went ahead and pulled that out, and I thought it would do well as a 4x6. I don't have any more 4x6s, so I'm just using the 3x4s from the kit and a journaling card. And then I did make my own card here at the bottom here. I documented a story here, and so I wanted to use that and incorporate other little things from the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my week 2 card, weekly card, which I do have a link in the description for you to download your free set if you'd like to use for your projects. I hope you guys tag me so that I can see what you're making. I would love to see that. And then I'm just going to be arranging the cards from the kit here. So I decided to put in a card, well actually it's a snapshot from my weather. And as you can see, it's all rain, and it's been raining. I live here in California, Central California actually, and it's just been raining and raining, and so I wanted to document that. And then also my husband, because he's in the Army National Guard, he was activated, put on special orders for the mission here up in Sacramento, excuse me, and so he was out. It shows, I have a picture there of a snapshot that he took while they were driving out there, him and his buddy, also that was in the unit, on their drive over there, and he said it was so crazy. The winds were super strong, high winds and tons of rain, lots of flooding, very scary. So yeah, I wanted to definitely put that in there. The top picture there is a picture of my father. My father turned 70 this year, this January, and January 10th actually. And so I wanted to put his picture on there and use enjoy the journey, because you know he's feeling a little up there. And I decided to use I love you so much. And I do have his picture covered because I respect his privacy. My parents don't really like to be shown in pictures, so I am respecting his privacy. So I went ahead and covered up his face. And then I ran out of another card, a 3x4 cards. All I had were journaling cards, and so I took out this Coco Vanilla Studio Storyteller kit. And I really like this blue one that says best ever, because we were celebrating his birthday. I bought him a cake, we all sang to him, and I made dinner, and I made carnitas tacos for him with all the fixings, and it was delicious, and he really enjoyed it, was really happy. This bottom picture here is a picture of my nails, so it's, I really like them, so I wanted to put it in there. I do journal it on the little card there, the little die cut there, and I just put #nailfee. And so I just, thought that'd be cute. And then I jumped over here, and this picture is a picture of my son's eggs. My dad, he's just so cute. He likes making little happy faces for my son because he loves eggs and ketchup. That's like his thing. So he always likes to make my son his eggs, and he puts a little smiley face on it. And since my husband was gone during the week up in Sacramento, my dad had to pick up the boys because I worked during the day. And so when I got there, he was just serving him his eggs, and I thought, that is so sweet. I gotta write this story in. So I made my own card out of just white cardstock, and then I just printed everything out on the computer and printed them out. This bottom picture here is a picture of one of our teachers. I work with students, and we work with students who have special needs, and so I just wanted to document that. One of our students, I did cover his face just to respect his privacy, and because he's a minor and I don't have permission from his parents to post pictures of him online, so I'm yeah, respecting the privacy of the child. So I do document a little below that because I do want to remember that. And then I just put the date on this other picture up here. My husband driving to or back, I can't remember. He was probably driving home because I was on a Friday. And then a picture of my son. He lost his third tooth, and so I wanted just to document that. The other picture, that journaling card below the next to that picture, is I just talked about the mission. My husband going out and supporting that mission and working on aircraft because my husband works in aviation, and so I just talked a little bit about that. And yeah, it's kind of scary, you know. He has to do his job, and at the same time I'm like kind of worried about his safety as well, but he is, you know, he is always out there volunteering to help out others, and that I really wanted to write that story down. So I think that's very admirable. And then I decided I used a couple of these little word strips also from the Storyteller kit, the set of stickers, and it said I can't remember what it said, something like I got the snapshot, something like that. I can't really see because I'm doing a voiceover, and so it's kind of hard to see in the what I'm watching as I'm recording, so I can't really see it. And then I just use a stamp set. I believe it's called Life Lately, and it's the Everyday Explorers. I don't remember what month that is, what kit that came in, but I believe it was from 2021, some kit from that collection that year. And then I pull out some puffy stickers from Freckled Fawn, these office stickers, because I felt like that blue matched the blue well from the rest of the kit. And I was trying to find something I could write. I couldn't find, I didn't have the letters I needed, but I did find a 3, so I put that in my son's hand because it was his third tooth. And then I just pulled out another a word strip here and there, and I just put in a picture of our little puppy, or of our doggy Lola, and added some stars since I had stars at the top picture of my dad on his birthday. Thought they would just even things out, and so I put a couple stars there. Then I call that one done. And then this other picture is a picture of my daughter doing a puzzle. She loves puzzles and she is so good at it. She finishes like a 2,000 puzzle like in a couple days, like 3 days. And then she'll finish like 1,000 like in 1 day. She's just that crazy good. So I wanted just to document that in there. I wanted to do something on this rainbow card, but I didn't know what to put on it. And I figured, well, I guess I'll just leave it as is. You know, sometimes it's okay to have things simple. And then I just used a word strip that said happiness, and I believe that that's it. It was fairly easy. I was trying to add something and I just couldn't find something to add to it, so I just left it alone. But this weekly layout came out super easy. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!